Hello and welcome to the Product Discovery Series. My name is Cole Nebeker, and in today's video we will be exploring the standard readers by ProdataKey. Let's take a look. Our sleek and versatile standard reader line is available in two sizes, mullion size and single gang. Engineered with a modern and minimalist design, these readers feature a textured matte black finish that blends seamlessly into any environment. The stylish LED and optimized build give them a polished look without compromising performance. They can receive 125 kHz prox inputs and output a standard Wiegand signal anywhere from 26 to 37 bits. These readers are also very capable of withstanding most weather conditions, with an IP65 rating and a temperature rating sustaining temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Wiring includes two for power, one for data 0 and another for data 1, and additional features that you can control, including the LED and the piezo on board the reader itself. Regardless of whether you're mounting this to a door frame or a junction box, this reader provides a stylish yet discreet access solution that won't compromise on reliable performance. So when you're looking for a reader that is both cost-effective and minimalist, look no further than the standard readers by ProdataKey.